this Thanksgrilling series. It's going to be huge.
You can't miss out on this.
Not this one.
Shoot, yeah, those Kingsford Pellets provide the best flavor.
Oh, yeah.
Let's get it started. You need, and I will always love you. Hey everybody, happy holidays. I'm Chef John, and today I have got an awesomely fun drink for you. It will pair perfect with any of those holiday meals that you're going to be doing for yourself. It is the Durty Autumn Pear Fizz. That's right. All right, guys, well, let's go ahead and get started with our ingredients. First, you're going to want to make sure you start off with a nice chilled champagne flute. Okay, we're going to stick this to the side. Then I've got 2 ounces of champagne. I've got an ounce of brandy. I've got some of our delicious Durty Gurl Sour mix, often imitated, never duplicated, Durty Gurl Sour mix, and 1 ripe, fresh pear straight out of the recteq garden. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to take our ice and we're going to get rid of it because we just wanted the glass to be nice and cold. Now, I have my handy shaker here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add our brandy. Perfect. I'm going to go ahead and add 5 ounces of that Durty Gurl Sour mix, often imitated, never duplicated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Now we're going to go ahead and give this a shake. Excellent. Now, we're going to go ahead and strain this delicious nectar into our champagne flute. Smells delicious already. Okay, we're going to finish it with a little bit of champagne on the top. Excellent. Now, I'm going to take this fresh pear from the recteq garden, and we're just going to do a little garnish right over the top. Guys, this is delicious. Make this your next holiday drink. I'm Chef John, and that's all I have to say. Wow, that's so good. Make sure you subscribe to recteq and Kingsford's YouTube channel for content like this and much, much more.